Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class. Do you remember what we did in the previous class? We did two methods of addition, that is first addition using number line and second addition using fingers. Is it clear to you all? So today we will start with third method of addition, that is column or vertical addition. The objective of the class is, children, to understand vertical or column addition. Now children, what vertical or column addition is? We can add numbers by writing them one below the other. We can write the numbers, we can add when we are adding. At that time, children, we can write the numbers one below the other. So this is how we will arrange the numbers vertically. Okay, so let's start. See the first question, 5 plus 4. Now children, 5 plus 4. This is how many digit number? One digit number. Now one digit number comes under which place? Ones place. So we will put ones place first, and below ones place we are going to arrange 5 plus 4. So for here it comes 5, then plus is written here, then comes 4. Now we are going to add 5 plus 4. Now children, how can you add? Keep 5 in your mind, bigger number in your mind, open 4 fingers. After 5 you start counting 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 9. Is it clear? Now let's start with 2-digit addition. In 2-digit, children, how many places are there? 2 places, ones place and tens place. So let's write ones place and tens place. Okay, now we are going to put 12 in these places. So 1, 2 plus 11. This is how we arrange number in vertical, or you can say column. Okay. So when we are doing 2-digit addition, we always start the addition from ones place. In ones place, children, what numbers are there? 2 plus 1. So 2, keep 2 in your mind, plus 1, how much? 2, 3. So here it comes 3. Then we will move to tens place. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. This is your 2-digit addition. What is this, children? This is vertical or column addition. This is how we arrange in vertical or column. Is it clear? So let's start with your word problems. Take out page number. So children, take out page number 50 of your book. Let's understand the examples using vertical addition. Example 6. Madhu has 5 kites. Madhu has how many kites? 5 kites. And Sita has 4 kites. How many kites do they have in all? I told you, children, when it is asked in all together, then sum, what does it mean? Addition, in all. If you bring all the kites together, then how many kites will be there, isn't it? So total you are going to find, that is sum. So what you are going to do? Addition. So what is written here, children? This is a 1-digit number, that is add them and write the sum as shown. You see how to add vertically. As I explained you now, children, this is a vertical addition. So you have to arrange in column. You have to write the ones place, and under ones place what comes? 5 plus 4. So you keep the bigger number in your mind. Then after 5 you can start counting 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum is 9. So Madhu and Sita have how many kites in all? 9 kites. Is it clear? Next question, example 7. Ram had 14 marbles. Sham gave him 15 marbles. Okay, Ram had 14 marbles. Ram already had how many marbles? 14 marbles. And Sham gave him 15 marbles. He gave him more marbles. So how many marbles does Ram have altogether? What word is used here, children? Altogether. So what we are going to do? Addition. Okay. So write the number. How you are going to add, children? You are going to arrange in column. So there are 2 places, isn't it? 4 and 1. So you have to write 1's place and 10's place. Then arrange the number. Write 14, 1 in 10's place and 4 in 1's place. Then 15, 1 in 10's place, 5 in 1's place. Now you add, children. As I told you, we should start adding from which place? 1's place. Keep the bigger number in your mind. 5. Take 4 fingers. Start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much you got? 9 in 1's place. Now let's count the 10's place. 1 plus 1. How much? 2. Okay, so we get 29. So what it is asked here, how many marbles does Ram have altogether? Ram has 29 marbles all together. Is it clear, children, now? Next example you can see. Example 8. Sunita bought 2 mangoes, 3 apples and 4 bananas. How many fruits did she buy altogether? Again, altogether, children. When the word altogether is there, what we are going to do? Addition. But Sunita bought 3 things. We are going to add 2 mangoes, 3 apples and 4 bananas. Okay? So children, first we'll write ones, under ones, 2 plus 3 apples plus 4 bananas. Now you count, children. Keep the bigger number in your mind. 4. Then after 4 count 3, 5, 6, 7. Then count 2, 8, 9. So you just see what answer you got. 9. Sunita bought how many fruits? 9 fruits. Is it clear? Okay. Then you can practice this, children. Example 6, 7 and 8 in your copy. And now let's start. I will discuss the homework. So children, let's discuss your today's homework. Take out your workbook, page number 22. Now children, the first question number 12. What is the sum of 1 and 4? 1 and 4. Sum means the word sum is used in addition. So we are going to add 1 with 4. So 1 plus 4, what will you get? Keep 4 in your mind. Plus 1, 5. So this is your answer. Okay, this is how we have to do. Next, question number 13. Add using the column method. So column method we have done just now, isn't it? So you have to do question number 13. You have to arrange in, it is one is arranged and the other one you have to arrange and do addition. Next, 14. Add using the vertical method. Again, vertical or column method both are same. The 13 number is your 1-digit addition and 14 is your 2-digit addition. So there are 2 places, ones and tens. Clear? Then number 15. Suruchi has 2 balls and Ziri has 1 ball. Color the total number of balls they have. So if you bring all the balls together, how many balls will be there? Just think children, 2 balls of Suruchi and 1 ball of Jiri. So total 1, 2, 3. So you are going to color how many balls children? 3 balls. Okay. Next question number 16. Rahim has 12 hats and Saji has 20 hats. How many hats do they have in all? So when it is asked in all children, what you are going to do? Addition. Is it clear? Next question number 17. Venki has 12 flowers and Kunjan has 11 flowers. How many flowers do they have in all? So again children, it is asked how many flowers do they have in all. So what you are going to do? Addition. Okay. So this is your homework. It is discussed. You can do it yourself. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.